In this video, you will learn how to use ZIA configuration to scan, audit, and document your DHCP servers. To scan DHCP servers, create a new Microsoft DHCP server list scan task. Enter the names of the DHCP servers to be scanned. If required, use custom agent settings, for example, to select which components to scan. Microsoft DHCP servers are also detected and scanned when scanning Windows machines. To view the configuration of a DHCP server, right-click the DHCP server item, then select Properties. Browse DHCP server configuration using the tree view on the left. View detailed configuration on the right. To generate DHCP server documentation, right-click and select Save as PDF to open the Generate Documents window. Select Microsoft DHCP server options to select the components to include in the DHCP document. Bespoke branding can be applied if required. To compare DHCP server configuration, click Compare to open the Compare Items window. Select the version and component to compare. Use reports to audit your DHCP servers. Browse the DHCP reports included with ZIA configuration on the left. Execute reports on the right. Report against specific containers or machines. Export to CSV, PDF, or on-screen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find out more about ZIA configuration, please go to www.centralsolutions.com/ZIA configuration.